Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will write a program that uses ng-repeat directive in AngularJS that will display the list of student name, grades using ng-repeat with key value with the following values below. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description guys where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so we have here problem number 4. Write a program that uses ng-repeat directive that will display the list of student's name and grades using ng-repeat with key value with the following values below. We have your student name, grades: Jake R. Pomperada 93, Maria Junallie F. Pomperada 94, Jacob Samuel F. Pomperada 95, Julianna Rae F. Pomperada 96, Lydia R. Pomperada 87, Leslie Vinky Pepito 90. So we have the solution. We have several comments here. HTML tag starting, title, student grades, ng-repeat with key value in AngularJS. Head, we have a simple CSS here. Body, font family Arial, font size 25, font weight bold, style, and then I put the folder bootstrap here, and make sure that the AngularJS library belongs in the same folder with your TypeScript and HTML file. Body, the title, header 2, student grades using ng-repeat with key value in AngularJS, div ng app, and then we have here ng controller, ng-repeat controller. We have here a class, table bordered strip, table over, and then class danger, so student grades, student names, grades, and then ng-repeat to display the student name and grades items here. And then we have here the expression of student underscore names and grades, and then we close the table, and then the script here we enumerate the list of the students name and its grades. And then we have here the function of ng-repeat $scope items equals equals student underscore grades, script, body, and HTML. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Let us go with our browser to see the output. So we have here student grades using ng-repeat with key value in AngularJS. We have a series of student names and then corresponding grades. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.